In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your website using Google Ads. If you're ready to bring qualified visitors to your site, this walkthrough will show you the essentials so you can set up a campaign with confidence and get your message in front of the right people. Start by opening Google Ads. At the top left, click Create and select Campaign. This is your starting point for any new promotion. Make sure you're in the correct account and that your billing is set up, so your ads can serve without interruptions. The interface will guide you step by step, so you don't need to memorize everything. When the system asks for your objective, choose website traffic. This tells Google your primary goal is to get more people to visit your site. It helps the platform recommend settings and features that focus on clicks and engaged visits, rather than leads or awareness alone. This choice keeps your campaign aligned with the outcome you care about most: more visitors. Next, select your campaign type. This depends on how you want to reach your audience. Search campaigns show text ads when people actively look for what you offer on Google. Performance Max uses Google's channels together, like search, YouTube, and display, and leans on automation to find conversions. Demand Gen emphasizes visually engaging placements across YouTube, Discover, and Gmail to spark interest. Video showcases your message on YouTube, great for storytelling. Display places image ads across the web to build reach and stay top of mind. Shopping highlights your products directly in results and is ideal for online stores. Pick the format that best matches your goal and creative assets. Now, continue through the guided setup for your chosen type. You'll typically add your ad assets and set your budget, along with basics like locations, languages, and schedule. For assets, write clear, compelling headlines and descriptions. Use images or videos that reflect your brand, and send people to the most relevant page on your site. Keep your message consistent from ad to landing page to build trust and improve performance. For budget, choose a daily amount you're comfortable testing. It's normal to start modestly, learn from early data, and adjust as you go. You'll also see options related to how Google spends your budget to get clicks. Pick the recommendations that align with your objective. Once you've completed the guided steps, your campaign is ready, and there you go. That's all. You've created a Google Ads campaign focused on driving traffic to your website.